Hello, hi, good evening. It's a very good news to all the UPSC aspirants who are preparing for Civil Service Examination 2020-21. The notice has came out today itself on 4th of March 2021, and the last date of receipt of application for this particular examination is 24th of March 2021. So there is a period of at least 20 days for this application applying process. So you should have to do your application as soon as possible within this date. Don't wait for the last date to apply, but because there is so many of net problem, networking problem, internet browsing problem, so you should have to apply with before the last date. It's a very good suggestion, what I do believe. Yes, let us came to know the eligibility criteria for this post. How can we apply the study syllabus and the pattern of examination, reservation category, etc. How to apply? We should directly go to upsconline.nic.in, or you can directly type browse UPSC 2021 civil service or UPSC. You can directly opted for that, and UPSC website will came out. There is online application form for in this site. You can apply according to the requisite document whatever they want for applying, like our Aadhaar card or matriculation examination details, our graduation qualification, educational qualification details, our age detail, who are opted for reservation category, their reservation certificates like SC/ST, OBC, and certificates of our certificates, OBC certificate, SSC certificate, and the physically challenged or disability certificate, whatever the reservation you are opting for. You we know the last date of application. Then these are the category of reservation relating to the post against the physical challenge category. So please go through all these things. The PDF link will be provided in this video. The Center of Civil Service Preliminary Examination around 1 to 2 or 3 this city or place from one state. In Odisha there is Cuttack, like Delhi, there is Dispur, Lucknow, all these things whichever near to you, you just opted for that place to your examination. But there is some difference in the preliminary center and main center. Main, there is, I think it is one center for one state. So you can opt it which is very accessible to your place. Then plan of examination. Civil service has three-tier examination. It can be said two-tier. First tier is preliminary examination, which is completely objective type. There are two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. In main examination, there is main examination is then divided into two parts, written and interview. This is the very lengthy examination. It take around 1 year of preparation and 1 year of full the examination also. There is a big gap for 3 to 4 months between prelim and main, then some months between main and interview. Then of course it takes some time to come out the result. So it takes around 1 year. Regarding the educational qualification, the minimum qualification one should attain at least university level or degree, which it can be said the graduation, be it be a become be it be a um, be it be a science graduate, but any graduate can apply for any professional graduate like BTech. Any graduate can apply for this post. Number of attempt one should know about these things. There is no limitation for appearing this examination for SC/ST category, but for OBC only 9 numbers are allowed to them. Otherwise, there is no more attempt is given to them after 9. So you should have to clear this examination before your 9 attempt. Otherwise, you can't apply for this post also. So very careful regarding your attempt number of attempts. Then directly go to the examination pattern, the number, etc. Yes, this is the examination, prelim examination. First of all, there is examination shall comprise two compulsory papers of 200 marks for each paper. There is 400 marks exam in prelim examination. Both the question paper will be the objective type, multiple choice question, and each will be of 2 hours duration. The general study paper 2 of the civil service preliminary examination will be qualifying in nature with minimum qualifying marks fixed at 33%. You have to secure at least 33% mark in your general studies paper 2 of the preliminary examination, who is the number of the mark you secured in your paper 2 in the preliminary examination will not be counted in your merit list. The merit list will be uh, evaluated on the basis of the marks secured in the paper 1 only. So you just have to focus on more on paper 1 and less on paper 2, but you have to keep it in your mind that you have to secure at least 33% mark in paper 2 out of 200 marks. And then it comes main examination. There is paper 1 A, B, paper A and B, which is one of the Indian language. You can choose your local language, like you can choose Odia, Assamese, Telugu, Bengali, whichever is your regional language you are comfortable with. You first language is that. Then paper B is English, which is compulsory. It is 300 and 300 marks. Then papers to be counted for merit. This is also qualifying in nature. This mark are not counted in the merit list. It is not added to this. So your merit list will be decided after paper 1, 2, 3, 4 and general study, etc. So paper 1 is essay 250 marks. Then paper 2, which is General Studies 1, Indian Heritage, Culture, History, Geography of the World and Society is also 250 marks. Then paper 3, General Studies 2, Governance, Constitution, Polity, Social Justice, International Relation, 250 marks. Then paper 4, General Study 2, Technology, Economy Development, Biodiversity, Environment, Security and Disaster Management. Then paper B, General Studies IB, Ethic, Integrity and Aptitude. It is also constitute 250 marks. Then paper BI, optional subject 1, whichever optional you choose for that, 250 marks, and optional paper subject 2, which is also constitute 250 marks. The subtotal of the written test of the main examination is 1750 marks. Then there is personality test, which is 275 marks. Then the grand total of the main examination is 2025 marks. This is all about the examination details and patterns. We will in another video we will be go through this syllabus and the detailed syllabus and the optional paper.